Hey, let's dive into how to add a full-width image and image in a section from Make. I'll walk you through step by step. Let's start by parsing the JSON. Simply click on Parse JSON. You'll need to add the scripts. This is the script, title, subtitle, and text with the full-width image source. It is a must to add title, subtitle, text, and can also be left empty. Now to add a section with image, same way add title, subtitle, and text. Add the image source like this. Then add the section index of where you would like the section in the proposal to be. Now let's move on to the next step, aggregate to JSON. Here, click the options and choose Edit. Here in Specifications, add the item name as section, title, subtitle, text. Add full-width image. Add name and data to enter the image source. Section index. Click Save. Now map data from the parse JSON. Map the title, subtitle, and text. Full-width image data. Section index. Click OK. The next step would be parse JSON. Click on it. Now add the previous step to the JSON string. The next step would be Array Aggregator. Click on it and choose the section and JSON string. The final step will be Prospero module, create a proposal. Now add all the details. This will be the syntax. Here you have to add the connection to your Prospero account. Enter your email and password of your Prospero account and click Save. Once it gets connected, click OK. Now run the scenario. You can go to your Prospero account and open the proposal to check if the image is being added. This is the full-width image. This is an image inside a section. And there you have it. Thank you for watching and happy integrating.